To know your brand is to be your brand. Lots of people are talking about branding, but many don't quite understand the depth of it beyond how it actually shows up in your external environments, like in your marketing or your website or your business cards or brochures. But there is so much more behind the scenes, basically, that fuels the distinction, the consistency, and the decisions that you might make in the overall end perceived result. In fact, a brand isn't born on social media or in a logo. The foundation of a truly successful, conscious, personal brand is strategically uncovered through a deliberate process of identifying, defining, and then aligning. This should all happen before you spend $1 or 1 minute in marketing efforts. You see, you market a brand, and if you haven't identified, defined, and aligned to it, what are you marketing? And more importantly, how are you consistently delivering on a promise that you have yet to clarify to your audiences? But why clarify your personal brand? Well, it helps you discern with utter confidence about how you show up in every facet of your business and your life. The attributes defined in your brand presence become tools that direct how and to whom you market to. In other words, your perfect clients. It provides the content and context to your marketing messagings and keeps you in your lane, minimizing market confusion. And it also strengthens your value position in your mind and the minds of your audience. It also keeps you more consistent and building trust with your target audiences. And the bottom line, it puts you in the driver's seat of your life and enables you to become more of what you want to be known for. I'll admit it, it's easy for us to be vulnerable to our external environments and to lose sight of who we are here and there. So the only way you can consistently be your brand is to fully know your brand. I'm Suzanne Tulien, brand clarity expert and author. Thanks for watching 90 Seconds to Personal Brand Clarity. If this got your attention about your personal brand clarity, then I invite you to check out my book, Personal Brand Clarity, Identify, Define, and Align to What You Want to Be Known For on Amazon, or my self-directed online course, Ignite Your Personal Brand Presence. Thanks for listening. And remember, you are the brand of your business.